Alright, but that will work. Alright, so now we need to make a game object, create empty, and just leave it at 0, 0, and let's just call this laser. And then drag and drop these two into the laser. You just created a parent that has children. The children are attached to the parent. Alright. What else does this laser need? Well, we need to have a rigid body on the laser. So add a component, rigid body, just to see if it works. Leave gravity on, and you'll see that your laser fell. Okay, cool. But we're not going to use gravity on our laser, so unclick gravity, and in our constraints, it shouldn't have to rotate because we're just firing it straight. So let's freeze the rotations, and we're shooting on the X axis only, so freeze the Y and Z positions. Alright, and now we need to, okay, we have the rigid body on there. We need to add a box collider, add component box collider. Alright, the box collider lets you have stuff interact with the object to trigger events, or it's like a wall. It's an invisible wall for solid objects as well. So we need to move this over the laser part right here. So let's go to our center on the X, and let's just drag it until the whole laser is evenly in between the box. Alright, and that's a really big range on the laser, so go to your size on the Y and just drag it down, and just do that, and just kind of rotate around it to make sure you can see on this side that it's huge. So we're going to make that smaller as well. Alright, and now we have to fix it because it's uneven. So let's, I think it's the Z. Yeah, that's going to work. It doesn't have to be perfect for this just simple video series. Let's just bring it over a little bit more. Alright, I need to make it wider actually. Let's make it a little bit bigger on the X. Alright, that's fine. Alright, so if anything touches this box, something it's going to get killed or something like that. That's what box colliders are. Alright, cool. Now we need to, on our box collider, click is triggered. Alright, and then go to tag and add tag. click the addition sign to add a tag, and let's name it laser. Click out on a game object and then go back to your laser and then add tag laser. I want the tag to be laser. Alrighty, and now we're going to go to here and create our folder. I'll call it prefabs. And hopefully we can drag this back to 0, 0, 0. Perfect. And all you gotta do is drag your laser. Oh, I lied. You need to go to prefabs and right click. Go to create a new prefab and call it my laser. And then drag your laser onto my laser. You have created a prefab now, so you can get rid of this. Right click, delete, and we're going to make the laser appear. We're going to make the laser appear at the end of these turrets. So let's do that. We need to create a game object. 3D game object, nope, create empty. And let's name it turret. No, let's call it barrel. Barrel 1. And we need to drag it to the front of this barrel right here. Alright, that's fine for now. And let's go with that. Oh, we need to actually drag barrel 1 onto our droid fighter as well. Make it a child. So it will move with the spaceship. And I'll give you a demonstration. You push play. It's not showing the, okay, we're in maximize. Go to your game and click maximize on play to get out of that. So you can see both your screen and your game. Click on barrel 1. Now you can see that the barrel empty object that we made, it's connected or attached to the spaceship because we made it a child by dragging it on top of the object itself. So now we can make the laser appear right here. Cool. And how I did this is you just drag the scene down like that here. If you screw up, you can go to Windows, Layouts, Default, and Scene and Game right here. And then you just click on and hold Scene and drag down, and then you can see your game and scene at the same time. So we'll leave it like that for now. Alright, so let's make this laser appear. So let's go to our My Scripts folder, right click, create new C# script, and let's just call it shoot, and open it up. Alrighty. Take a quick break real quick, guys. Alright, I'm back. Now to make a laser appear when we shoot. So the first thing we have to do is create a public rigid body.